I think a screen is visible, right? Just say hello in the comment box so that I can see you. ठीक है, there was a big break. Anyways, I think now all our friends have all the rubber dams and all. ठीक है. So when you start with the rubber dam isolation, first and foremost important is to identify which tooth to isolate. So it can be a single tooth isolation also, or multiple tooth isolation. For single tooth isolation, I want you guys to focus on single tooth isolation first, because that will give a boost of confidence to start with the rubber dam practice. ठीक है. So this, for example, this is a sheet and with a template which you can see. A template hai, and when you place the sheet over the template, see, so basically you can see the template, right? So this is for the pedo patients and this is for the permanent teeth, as I mentioned. ठीक है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल कोई सा भी टूथ आइसोलेट कर रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर हम शीट रखेंगे एंड विल मार्क विद एनी मार्कर और अ पेन एंड देन विल पंच अकॉर्डिंग टू द टूथ साइज. ओके. Are you with me, guys? See how beautifully we can see the template. And see, this is the glossy surface of the rubber dam sheet, which has to be towards the patient or facing the inner, facing the tissues, and the outer side, which is dull, which will be facing outside towards the patient. Okay. So this is the identification for placing the rubber dam sheet, in which direction you have to place. ठीक है. तो शीट रखा अपने टेम्पलेट पे, जो टूथ आइसोलेट करा उसको मार्क करने का है. नाउ सी हाउ वी हैव टू मार्क इट. ओके. So now we can mark according to the tooth. For example, it's left first molar, mandibular molar. Okay. After the marking through the punch, as I told you, different sizes of holes are there. So for molar, usually we use the largest hole. You can see, and we can rotate this plunger. Okay, we can rotate this. I'll say rubber dam punch guiding table, and according to, we can centralize it and then we can punch it. So I think in this video they have a very large size also. So usually the largest size is good enough. Okay, this will put, and in one go you have to punch. Very important. See, in one go it was punched. ठीक है. You can see now it is matching. तो अब what I add you, पंच करने के बाद अगर आपने वो ग्लॉसी साइड और डल साइड के बारे में ध्यान दिया है, तो you will able to put the rubber dam sheet directly on the tooth, right tooth, because what will happen, you may tend to rotate the sheet. जब रोटेट कर दोगे शीट तो आपका ओरिएंटेशन चलेगा, क्लैम्प तो लग जाएगा, रबर डैम शीट भी लग जाएगी. जब आप फ्रेम लगा रहे होंगे तब प्रॉब्लम होगी. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वेयर यू हैव मार्क्ड, where exactly that orientation you have to put in the patient's mouth. Okay. ठीक है. ये ओरिएंटेशन लिया. अब you can see a lot of winged rubber dam clamps are there. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द टूथ साइज बहुत सारे अलग अलग नंबर्स के होते हैं. 205, 202, 14A, 3, lot of are there. So depending upon the what we feel it will be matching, we'll just take a clamp and we'll try it on the patient's mouth. Okay, first. So this is the clamp forceps. So with this clamp forceps, we'll first put in the clamp hole. Very nicely it is picked up. And as I told you, we can, when we press, the clamp forceps open up and it will gradually open the clamp. So how beautifully you can see the clamp is opening. Yeah. Yeah. ठीक है. तो now इसको we'll check on the patient's mouth for the fit. बेसिकली फिटिंग देखना है. फिटिंग कैसे देखना है? जो चारों प्रोंग्स हैं वो अच्छे से आपके टूथ पे फिट होने चाहिए. So for example, it is fitting. Just imagine that the clamp is fitting. Then see for the wing clamps, because you guys will be having wing clamps only. Guys, remember, wing clamps मिलेंगे ज्यादातर. तो अब आपने, अगर आपने टूथ पे सेलेक्ट करा और वो क्लैम्प की फिटिंग सही है, ठीक है, मतलब चारों जॉस के चारों अटैच है टूथ के बक्कल और लिंगुअल सरफेस पे अच्छे से और स्टेबल भी है. That is, it is not loose. Then once we have checked, in one of the technique, what we do, we just remove the clamp again for the patient's mouth, and with the help of wings, now you can see ये wings को. So I'll just tell again, यहाँ जो wings थे ना, उस wings को बक्कल और लिंगुली will attach the rubber dam sheet. ठीक है, उससे वो शीट में अटक जाएगा. See guys, so this will help the rubber dam sheet and clamp to be a one unit. ठीक है. Now before that, as I told you, checking of the clamp to the tooth. So this is the way we check. ठीक है guys. तो हमने चेक करा स्टेबल है. हम इसकी बो को पकड़ के मूव करेंगे, साइड से क्लैम्प्स को मूव करेंगे, इट शुड बी स्टेबल. दैट इज ऑल द प्रोंग शुड बी टचिंग, बिकॉज अगर वो स्टेबल नहीं होगा तो लूज रहेगा, आइसोलेशन सही से नहीं हो पाएगा. दूसरी बात, और पुलिंग आउट वुड बी कॉमन. सो now you can see guys, when the clamp was checked, very simply, after that जो wings को हमने रबर डैम शीट से बक्कुली और लिंगुली अटका दिया, और वो अटकाने के बाद we'll after making it on the buccal and lingual side, we'll just place on the tooth. Okay, so this is the way you will place. Now few problems will occur, because initially when you will start placing the rubber dam clamp with the sheet, तो थोड़ा डाउट रहेगा कौन सा टूथ है, because the whole mouth will be covered with the rubber dam sheet. So what you can do, you can either mark the tooth if you have it, if you feel you won't be able to identify, or you can just move the sheet forward and backward, anteriorly and posteriorly, to locate the first premolars, and followed by first and second molar, and then placing the sheet on the right spot. That is either first molar, second molar, whatever tooth you want to isolate. तो ये तो दिक्कत आता है. तो this is the way you can manage this situation. So once you place the sheet with the clamp, so what you'll do, you will just, जो विंग के ऊपर जो हमने शीट अटकाया था, we'll just pull it out with a fine instrument so that it grabs all around the tooth. Now you can see guys, see, अब क्या, एक फाइन प्लास्टिक फिलिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट से वो शीट के अगेंस्ट हटाया. अब ठीक है, यूज अ गुड इंस्ट्रूमेंट, डल ब्लंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट, नॉट अ शार्प इंस्ट्रूमेंट, इट विल टीयर द शीट्स. नाउ यू कैन सी. So इससे क्या हुआ, literally the sheet was exactly came on the cervical area, which was early on the wings, and there was a good cervical seal. ठीक है. और sometimes क्या होता है, वो अच्छे से attach नहीं होता, तो you can just open the clamp also and then modify the sheet. So depending upon, ठीक है. So this way you can see a single tooth isolation is so simple. And again you can check the fitting of the clamps, followed by, now the next step is there, that is to apply the frame. Before that you can apply the sealer, I will say liquid dam also. For example, कभी कभी क्या होता है, फिटिंग में जो आपका एरियाज है, दैट इज द सर्वाइकल एरियाज, जहां आपका प्रोंग्स अटैच हुए हैं, वहां सीपेज होता रहता है ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप. तो यू कैन अप्लाई अ लिक्विड डैम और अ gingival barrier all around the margins of the sheets so that a good seal is achieved. Okay. ठीक है. So you now saw how we selected the dam clamp, followed by checking on the patient, followed by applying the wings. जो हमारे विंग्स थे क्लैम्प्स के, वो हमने अपने विंग्स पे अटका के then we placed on the tooth, followed by with a fine instrument there was a good cervically it was pushed, and followed by a gingival barrier we can apply. And before that I'll just tell you कि with the help of frame, ठीक है, the it's a U shaped frame, the lower end of the U has to be to the chin of the mandible, that is downwards, and then you can place the frame accordingly. In this video they are not showing, but हाँ you can do. और जब ये liquid dam लगाते हैं ना, हम लोगों को क्योर भी करना होता है, it is readily available, especially those who are doing bleaching. तो gingival barrier जो लगाते हैं, it also acts as a liquid dam. So guys, this is the very simple technique in which the dam was placed along with the clamp. ठीक है. In the same technique, same video, I'll be telling you 2-3 more other techniques which will be help you to place the dam. ठीक है. Let's complete the video. Okay, then I'll do. These are the different types of frames. As I told you, the metal one, the one foldable frame, and the plastic one which is commonly available. You can see. So this technique was a basic technique. We have other techniques also for single tooth isolation. I'll be telling you through this video only. So this foldable frame just helps to take a radiograph when you are placed the frame, because frame hatana padta. We need to remove the frame when we take a radiograph most of the time. So this can help you to take a radiograph with the frame attached by just removing from one side from where the radiograph has to be taken. Okay. So this dental floss will be very useful, especially when the multiple tooth isolation is there. I'll tell you. ठीक है. तो I'll just briefly tell you one more thing. As you select the tooth, check the fitting of the clamp. Okay, I'll just add on. तो एक टेक्निक तो ये आपने सिंपल टेक्निक देखा, ठीक है. दूसरा, आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड वन मोर टेक्निक इन सिंगल टूथ आइसोलेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल, आप विंगलेस क्लैम्प्स नहीं यूज कर रहे ना, तो इट्स very easy to put the sheet over the clamp. So just see this video. For example, if it was a wingless clamp and you check the fitting, तो आपका sheet इतना stretchable होता है, you can just put the sheet directly over this bow and then followed by over the jaws oil से जो भी wingless part नहीं है. In some cases with the wingless also we can, with the wings also we can put the sheet directly. For example, specifically in areas where you feel you can't place the sheets with the clamp and the sheets together, just put the clamp first, check its fitting, and followed by sheet over the top. ठीक है, sheet over the top. So one technique you saw with the wings. Second technique I told you, just put the clamp and put the sheet over the top. And third technique which I'll be telling you, you can put the sheet first, just sheet first, and then followed by clamp. So these three techniques are commonly used for placing a single tooth isolation. Are you with me, guys? Do you want to repeat the video? So You can see the video again, because in this video I'm telling you the steps and also adding different techniques. So this was the basic technique which were used, in which after removing the clamp, with the clamp and the sheet placed all together, and as I told you, because the stretchability of the sheets is much, it's pretty good, so we can just put the sheet directly over the clamp also. This is the second technique. Or we can stretch the clamp, stretch the rubber dam sheet over the tooth followed by clamp. So any of the technique which is comfortable while you are placing the rubber dam, you can follow it. For example, एक technique से नहीं हो रहा तो दूसरा technique try करो, and try to start with single tooth isolation, especially in root canal cases. Okay guys, तो एक ये basic technique है, and I'll be adding one more technique, in which technique you prefer out of the three. Yeah, see, if I'm using a wingless clamp, Dr. Neeraj, for you it is, yeah, if I'm using wingless clamp, and especially in 6 or any deer tooth, that is 6 को करा या फिर 5 को करा या फिर 4 को करा, तो मैं I'll put the rubber dam clamp over the tooth, check the fitting, and then the sheet over the clamp. It is very easy, तो झंझट नहीं रहता है. मगर if I am isolating 7 or 8, उस टाइम क्या होता है, sheet over the clamp is very difficult. Why? Because distally the clamp bow is attaching to the soft tissue of the cheek and the distal tissues. तो sheet को over the clamp मुश्किल हो जाता है. तो what I'll say, for wingless clamps, if you are isolating 7 and 8 and it is difficult to put the sheet, you can put along with the sheet. And if you are using I'll say 6, 5 or 4, then aram se, if you have a good sheet, you can just stretch it out over the clamp and then you can place it. Am I clear, Dr. Neeraj? So this is preferred in case of wingless. हाँ, अगर your kit has only wing clamps, which is most of the cases it will be it is there. So in such type of cases, if you have good sheet, you can always place clamp first, then followed by sheet. For the beginners, it is always easy to place clamp and then followed by sheet, because आपको ना easy रहेगा, पर उसके लिए sheets बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. Sheet should be nicely stretchable. Initially क्या होता है, if the wing clamp is very big and you will stretch, it can tear. So if sheet quality is good, you can आराम से put the clamp first, follow, and it's very simple. So कोई hi-fi नहीं रहेगा. Easily you will place the clamp because the visibility is there. Then you will place the sheet. So it will not be a problem, or that you may isolate different tooth, or you may hurt because you may not be able to see the complete oral cavity. So for the beginners, this is my words which you can follow. Dr. Neeraj. Okay, great. So after that, I'll be sharing one more. So now, for example, after a week, you are well versed with single tooth isolation, guys. If you're well versed with single tooth isolation, now you can do multiple tooth isolation in a similar way. As you put the sheet on the template, you can mark multiple teeth. One add-on which I'll like to tell you is that, for example, if you want to isolate multiple teeth, for example, if you are working on 6 and you want to isolate multiple teeth, clamp on 7, that is 1 distal tooth and 2 anterior teeth to the tooth to isolate, that is 4 and 5 both. उससे क्या होगा, आपको accessibility आएगा. तो multiple tooth isolation में सबसे बड़ा फायदा क्या है, when you place the clamp on the posterior tooth, जो आपका main working tooth है, तो clamp क्या होगा, बहुत पीछे place होगा, और जो tooth को आपको work करना है, it will be very easy. Now you can see how they are placing, and you can see and Dr. Neeraj, the technique why I was telling it is very easy, especially for the starters, to put the clamp. Now see, the clamp is already in the oral cavity. Now by stretching it, and in this case they have placed the frame also before, so you can also do the same thing, or you can place the frame later on. It's all depending upon your I'll say ease. It's always easy to put the frame first if you have a good sheet, ठीक है, otherwise आप बाद में भी कर सकते हो. So now in this, you can see the frame is there, the sheet is tied on it. Now they are stretching the they're stretching it. See, they're stretching the, I'll say, this way you can see how they're applying the frame. Okay, very beautifully they have applied the frame. Now I'll be just focusing on the more detailed part. ठीक है, तो क्या किया इन्होंने? It was very simple. It's the video is very fast, so I'll just pause it. So they just place the dam over the clamp, ठीक है, और followed by, you will see how beautifully the sheet was placed. Okay, and then you can how they were placing the frame over the sheet. Now once the clamp is placed and the frame is placed, now you can see how the different teeth, हम हर एक टीथ पे वो शीट को पास करेंगे. तो मल्टीपल टूथ आइसोलेशन 1 2 3 स्टेप्स आई विल टेल यू. फ्लॉस द टीथ फर्स्ट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जब आप प्रॉक्सिमल जहां से आपको शीट पास करना है उसको फ्लॉस करें तो आपको कॉन्टैक्ट्स के बारे में पता चल जाएगा वेदर इट इज इजी और टाइट. अगर टाइट कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं तो पुट अ वेसलीन ऑन द इनर सरफेस ऑफ द डैम सो दैट वो स्लिप अच्छे से हो जाए. ठीक है, एंड देन दिस इज द वे हाउ यू विल allow the dam sheet to enter the proximal spaces in terms of multiple tooth isolation. Just play the video now. See how fast they are doing. So we, in multiple tooth isolation, we need 2 more hands, I'll say. See, now the clamp is placed on the distal tooth and now they're trying to press the sheets. See, with the help of floss. See, very fast they're doing. तो आप देखो वो फ्लॉस कर रहे हैं. फ्लॉस से क्या हो रहा है? फ्लॉस तो जाएगा ही प्रॉक्सिमल स्पेस में, साथ में डैम का शीट भी चले जाएगा. स्लो इट डाउन, यू कैन सी. वन की थिंग आई विल टेल यू, व्हेन यू फ्लॉस द कॉन्टैक्ट, जब आपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स पे फ्लॉस किया, फ्लॉस को ऊपर से पुल आउट नहीं करना. बस याद रखना, फ्लॉस करा और उसको उसी प्रॉक्सिमल से पुल आउट करने का है. वेरी सिंपल. सी 1 2 3. तो दिस इज द वे द assistant will be holding, or the associate doctor will be holding the sheet and you will be flossing it. ठीक है, passing through the proximal contacts. You can see, yeah. So this is the external view of holding the rubber dam, buccolingually pressing it and then flossing. देखो how slowly they are removing the floss. So this will ensure your sheet has entered the proximal spaces, and once they pass the proximal contact, it will be very easy. It will be very easy to invert the dam. Okay, you can see how they're doing such process. Okay. Are you with me, guys? Are you getting it? What I'm trying to tell you? ये मल्टीपल टूथ आइसोलेशन उसके लिए है जब आप सिंगल टूथ आइसोलेशन में थोड़े यूज टू हो जाओगे. ठीक है, so this is the way we put. And also it's very important if you want tight cervical seal. See, you can tie the floss to the cervical area, and when you tie the floss to the cervical area, it will have a good seal. Especially they are putting on the clamp tooth also. तो दिस वे क्या होता है, जो सारा डैम का शीट है ना वो इन्वर्ट हो जाता है. तो नाउ अर्लियर व्हेन यू आर सीइंग दिस वीडियो, द शीट्स वर not inverted. Okay, you can see the sheet was not inverted. Inverted मतलब जो उसका मार्जिन है वो इन्वर्ट चलेगा, इट इज जिंजाइवल क्रेविसेस में चले जाएगा, जिंजाइवल सर्कस में जाएगा. जब वो ऐसे जिंजाइवल सर्कस में चले जाएगा तो अच्छा सील बन जाएगा, जिंजाइवल क्रेविकुलर फ्लूइड भी नहीं जाएगा. Similarly, they are doing on the tooth which has been clamped. So these are the wingless clamps, guys. These are the wingless clamps in which we are inverting the dam for a good seal. So this way you can tie it also if you have a thick good floss. This will ensure that now you can see one trick. If you have this type of problem, okay, the gums are coming out and all, You can readjust the clamp by just like opening it, and you can push the tissues down and then the clamp again. See, these are the small tricks which will help to traumatize the gingiva as less as possible. You see, the gingiva is exposed. Okay, तो आप क्या करोगे, हल्का सा ओपन करोगे डैम को, अपने शीट को मॉडिफाई कर दोगे, ठीक है, वो शीट अडेप्ट हो जाएगी, एंड देन यू कैन पुट द क्लैंप अगेन, एंड नाउ व्हेन यू विल सी the sheet has yeah, you can see the sheet will adapt accordingly. तो दिस मॉडिफिकेशन यू कैन डू, पर उसके लिए अच्छे से अडेप्टेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है. नाउ यू कैन सी इट इज मच बेटर, एंड नाउ आल्सो यू कैन पुट द जिंजाइवल बैरियर इफ यू फील सम सीपेज इज अकरिंग. ठीक है, जिंजाइवल बैरियर लगा सकते हो आप. अगर जिंजाइवल बैरियर नहीं है तो जेटोनिन का पैक बना दो, ये टेम्पररी का पैक बना दो, दैट आल्सो वर्क्स गुड. और यू कैन टाई द फ्लॉस आल्सो. Are you getting it? The different techniques. Okay, multiple tooth isolation में बस आपको एक और help चाहिए होगी, and just you need to pass the sheet over the proximal spaces. That is the key. And then followed by inversion of the dam, and then flossing. जितना अच्छा flossing करोगे उतना अच्छा inversion होगा, और उसको tie भी कर सकते हो for great. This is the way they have tied it. ठीक है. So different techniques will be there with different people. So these are the very simple techniques which I have shared with you, which you can apply. And I'll always say start with single tooth isolation first, so that धीरे धीरे आप extra 3-4 teeth isolation करना, फिर multiple teeth isolation करना, it will be easy for you. ठीक है, I think it is clear, a little clear now, and so these are the different techniques they are showing you. ठीक है, so starting with the slides. I want you to say hi so that I understand. I am aware that you got some idea through the videos. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी डाउट हो तो you can ask me. ठीक है, just remember the ways to put a single clamp and the sheet, and then multiple tooth you can follow up in other cases following this method. Starting में थोड़ा रहेगा, धीरे धीरे you will get used to it. ठीक है, are you with me guys? Say hi so that I am aware you are with me. So, okay, great. So presently my motto is to give you an idea which you can practice a cast once or twice, or I'll say if you have good cooperative assistant, you can try in their mouth, so that when the patient comes you are more comfortable. Okay, तो अभी ये basics techniques follow करके I know very well you can start it from tomorrow onwards if you have started your practice. So start with the tooth isolation, and I would love if you share the photos of that isolation on the virtual case discussion group, so that I can, team members can put the feedback. This is the way we start doing such case, and we learn with every case. So virtual case discussion group में आप photo डालो rubber dam isolation का, I'll tell you how to improve, or whether you need improvement or it is good enough. Okay. तो जैसे मैंने बताया, सिंपल है कि फर्स्ट आफ्टर चेकिंग द फिटिंग, जस्ट क्लैंप एंड टुगेदर. नाउ यू नो विद इन टर्म्स ऑफ विंगलेस, आई से विंग क्लैंप्स में क्लैंप शीट ज्यादातर कॉमनली यूज करते हैं बिकॉज़ विंग्स आर सो वाइड. और देन फर्स्ट क्लैंप फॉलोड बाय शीट, एंड यू कैन पुट द शीट आल्सो ऑन द टूथ फॉलोड बाय क्लैंप अपॉन. फॉर एग्जांपल एक आइसोलेटेड टूथ है तो डायरेक्टली शीट प्लेस कर दो टूथ पे फॉलोड बाय क्लैंप, so it will be easy. Next, so multiple tooth isolation is also clear. A brief I told you, in case अगर आपको करना पड़ गया तो आपको आइडिया है. टेक्निक्स बहुत सारी है, बहुत सारे इन एंड आउट्स है. आई वांट कि एटलीस्ट 15 days you practice these simple techniques and then you can put on the advanced version of rubber dam isolation, जिसमें और अच्छे से और डीप सर्वाइकल मार्जिन्स और बहुत सारी डिफरेंट ब्रिंकर्स का यूज आई टेल. Today my main motive is just to make you start using rubber dam isolation by following these videos which I shared with you. Are you with me, guys? So you start practicing, guys. I'm sure enough you'll put a rubber dam in such manner you can isolate all 28 teeth or 32 teeth by simply following this simple protocols. But now I want at least for a week to do with single tooth or at least 3 to 4 teeth isolation. Then we'll be focusing on more depth of tricks, more details of different isolation in different regions. So this is the scenario. This is the gingival barrier which we were talking about. तो कभी कभी होता है क्या है कि जिस टूथ को हम क्लैम्प करते हैं वहां से सीपेज होता है, क्योंकि शीट को आप इतने अच्छे से अडैप्ट नहीं कर पाते. शीट औरों में तो आप फ्लॉस से अडैप्ट कर देते हो. You put this barrier, different colors it is available, and I'm waiting for this type of when you start isolating multiple teeth, and you will send me this type of photos, virtual case discussion group, and I would be happy enough to see how you started with a single tooth isolation. Now you can isolate multiple teeth with such a beautiful isolation. Okay, how nicely you can see the cervical margins. Would you love to do a composite or a core builder as type of cases, or cases where the soft teeth are exposed, there's a gingival crevice, discharge is there, cheeks are coming, tongue is coming, a lot of salivation is there? Would you love to work in the environment or the environment which we were working before, guys? I want this to type this in the box so that I feel you understand ki if you start using rubber dam, it would be a great pleasure for you, all of you. Just type this in the comment box. This is the isolation which you need, guys. This beautiful isolation. So after that, I'll be sharing few slides of tips which you need to remember, especially when you start with your placement rubber dam. Okay, great. चलो, तो टिप्स क्या है बेटर आइसोलेशन में बताऊंगा कि जब भी मल्टीपल टूथ आइसोलेशन या सिंगल टूथ आइसोलेशन होगा, कोशिश करना है डैम इन्वर्जन. डैम इन्वर्जन का फायदा क्या होगा? जब जैसे हमने देखा कि जब डैम इन्वर्ट होता है, ये इन्वर्ट डैम है गाइस, दिस इज द इन्वर्ट डैम, ठीक है, एंड दिस start placing the rubber dam, it will be like this. Once you use a floss, good floss in both the contact followed by this fine instrument, it will go deep into the crevices. So this is the dam inversion. तो स्पेशली मल्टीपल टूथ आइसोलेशन में डैम इन्वर्जन का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है. वो कैसे करना है आप लोगों को समझ आ गया. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्लीन इट फॉलोड बाय फाइन प्लास्टिक फिलिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट. मतलब जब भी डैम इन्वर्जन करना है, पहले आप सारा आइसोलेशन कर लोगे डैम को पुल करके, then you will invert. After dam placement too, for example, if you are placing this rubber dam to do class 2 filling, okay, RCTs में it's very easy because single tooth isolation है. जैसे आप multiple tooth isolation में आओगे, especially when you are doing a two, you can pre-wedge the tooth. Pre-wedging में क्या help होगी? For example, ये केस है, इसमें आपको class 2 करना है. For example, आप dam place फॉलोड बाय वेज लगा दो टाइटली. प्री वेजिंग से क्या होगा? एक तो डैम भी प्रॉक्सिमली जिंजाइवली पुश हो जाएगा और टिश्यूज भी जिंजाइवली रिट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगी. एंड व्हेन यू विल बी मेकिंग अ क्लास 2 फॉर एग्जांपल, एट दैट टाइम देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ सेपरेशन ऑफ द टूथ और जिंजाइवल्स भी डीपली हो जाएंगी. तो आपका क्लास 2 का आइसोलेशन अच्छा होगा और द कॉन्टैक्ट शुड बी वेरी टाइट बिकॉज ऑलरेडी बिकॉज ऑफ द प्री वेजिंग प्रोसीजर you have separated. When the tooths are separated, then you place dam, then again you place a wedge, and then you a good class 2. तो उस दौरान जब आप wedge हटाओगे तो directly tooth will try to come back to its normal position. There will be a strong tight contact. So pre-wedging when you're doing a class 2 case is not only helps in separation of the tooth but also traction of the gingivas gingivally, and the sheet is also gingivally placed. ये wedging करने का है guys जब भी class 2 कर रहे हो. तो both the advantages I have shared. Second is jaws should not extend beyond mesial and distal line angles, especially in class 2. Guys, for example, if we look at this case, अगर इसमें class 2 करने का है और आपका class 2 बहुत broad है, तो ये जो jaws हैं इसके, ये जो jaws हैं, अगर ये jaws extend कर रहे हैं class 2 के extent तक, तो आपका जो dam है ना, जो आप उसका proximal section या complete mattress लगाओगे, वो interrupt करेगा. तो guys, तो in such type of cases, I'll always prefer to place the clamp distal to the tooth first and followed by, if you are placing on the same tooth, the jaws will be a little less wider so that you can place your mattress. Guys, this will be the few things which take care. ठीक है, तो अब आपको आ गया होगा what I am trying to say. Jaws should not extend beyond the mesial and distal line angle, especially for class 2. Okay, great guys, are you with me? You are getting it what I am trying to say. कि कैसे आपको बचाना. Folding the clamp forceps, the palm up approach. This is very important, especially when you will be start placing the clamps on the tooth, right? तो क्या होगा आपका रहेगा. Just remember holding a extraction forceps. When you hold the extraction forceps, it is always advised to hold from the palm up position. जैसे कि आप आराम से forceps को नीचे करके आपकी visibility अच्छी हो. Similarly, when you place the hold of the clamp, you will hold it from the down. अगर light ऊपर से अच्छे से pass होगी, you will able to see here where you are placing the clamp. See, I'll just help you out again. ये हमारा clamp forceps है guys, ठीक है. इसको ना ऊपर से नहीं पकड़, इसको नीचे से पकड़ने का. जब आप नीचे से पकड़ोगे तो palm up position होगी. जब palm up position तो आपका सारा विजन सही रहेगा, ऊपर से लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होगी जो आप टूथ को आइसोलेट कर रहे हो. This was the key which I was telling. So there are a few tips which I want to share so that initially also when you start practicing, there's few protocols if you will, but it will be very easy. So starting very important, hold the concepts in palm up approach, very important for adequate visibility and light. तो आपके लिए भी easy होगा. For the, I'll say, free to do a deep class 5 punch, especially for deep class 5. So few tricks I'll tell you. Use first a brinker. तो brinker में if you guys remember, brinker क्या होते हैं? अगर ये होते हैं brinkers, तो इनके जो jaws के जो width है ना कम होती है. तो cervically you know the tooth is less wider as we go deep. तो ये क्या करते हैं हमारे deeply tooth को, if you will see in class 5 cases, I'll show a picture what exactly I'm trying to say. ये one, for example, ऐसे cases को isolate कर, these are the brinkers which you can place. ठीक है, so the margin, ये तो veneer का है, और if you're doing a class 5, तो the margin आप brinker place करोगे, तो उससे gingival tissue भी retract होगा, dam भी retracted रहेगा, you will have a good isolation. So it can only be done by using this type of clamps which are known as brinkers. Very clamps. ये है वो. Especially the B4 is most commonly used. कभी भी brinker खरीदना हो आपको B4 वाला लेना. ठीक है guys. So these are the few tips and tricks which I am. तो also spacing, हाँ, अब in class 5 cases में आप punch holes जो करोगे ना, आप जो arch को देख के कर रहे हो, वो हल्के करोगे, so that the sheet gets adapted. And use a double floss ties technique. Double floss tie technique बहुत अच्छी technique है, in which especially in multiple tooth isolation, it will help you to put the floss gingival margin of the dam को नीचे पुश करने के लिए, स्पेशली इन स्पेशल टीथ, स्पेशली विनेयरिंग के लिए, जो अभी हमने अभी स्लाइड शेयर करा था, ऐसे फ्लॉस प्लेस करके एक डबल टेक्निक होता है, वो आप यूज कर सकते हैं. शेयर यू अ लिंक, ओके, इन विच यू कैन लर्न हाउ मेक अ डबल फ्लॉस टाई. इट वेरी हेल्पफुल, स्पेशली इन जब किसी को विनियर सीमेंट करने या डीप क्लास 5 करनी है. इन क्लैम्प्स के लिए मैं क्या करूंगा, बिकॉज यू स्टार्ट यूज ऑफ रबर डैम, क्लैम्प्स का मेंटेनेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बिकॉज मेंटेन द क्लैम्प्स, दिस क्लैम्प्स विल लास्ट वेरी लॉन्ग. शीट्स हो गया वो तो आपको चेंज करनी पड़ेगी, भी लंबा चलेगा, पंच भी अच्छा चलेगा, फोर्सेस चलेगा, पर क्लैम्प्स को आपको मेंटेन नहीं करोगे तो इट विल कोरोड विद टाइम. तो क्या है, जैसे ही क्लैम्प हटाया पेशेंट के माउथ को, वॉश करने का, अच्छे से वॉश करने के बाद जो भी उस पे डर्ट्स ऐड हो गया, स्पेशली जिंजावल बैरियर का या फिर किसी सीमेंट का, उसको क्लीन कर लो. देन ऑटोक्लेव. उससे क्या होगा, उसमें कोरोजन नहीं, स्टेनिंग नहीं होगी और लॉन्ग टर्म होगा, बिकॉज आई हैव सैक्रिफाइस्ड लॉट ऑफ माय क्लैम्प्स दिस वे. ठीक है, स्पेशली एक ब्रिंकर मेरा सैक्रिफाइस हुआ था, कोरोड होके ब्रोक. सो आई डोंट वांट दिस टू हैपन टू यू. तो आपको ये प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो करना है फॉर दिस. सो लास्ट tips I say, always buy good rubber dam and clamps. तो दो जगह, एक डैम किट कोई सी भी कंपनी की ले ली, आपको दो चीज से बार बार इन्वेस्ट करने का है. एक तो अच्छी रबर डैम शीट्स, दूसरा गुड रबर डैम क्लैम्प्स. ठीक है, तो कोई भी किट ले ली, अगर आपको क्लैम्प्स लेने, आई विल टेल यू टू बाय कॉफर्ड या फिर आई से वेगर, वन जर्मन कंपनी इज देयर, वेरी गुड, WAKER टाइप ऐसे कुछ है. The clamps are very good. I have specially bought this company's Weger Hacker. Weger Hacker, yeah. Weger is the company, German है शायद. And the clamps are beautiful, especially the wingless. तो ये Weger Hacker करके है, Google देख लेना, नहीं तो I'll share you from where to buy, especially if you're planning to buy wingless. ठीक है. तो actually the clamp should be maybe tricky, as I told. ठीक है, क्लैम्प प्लेसमेंट जब आप करोगे थोड़ा ट्रिकी रहेगा, हो सकता है आपके जो कोर्सेस में अच्छे से नहीं हिट होगा. तो ऑलवेज टाई फ्लॉस टाई कर दो पे, सो दैट अगर स्लिप भी होता है यू कैन पुल इट आउट. ओके, स्पेशली व्हेन डूइंग केसेस विद अपर 7 8. ओके गाइस, सो माय लास्ट और सेकंड लास्ट सेइंग इज दैट slowly and steadily it will be a normal procedure of placement of rubber dam, guys, and the key is to make a habit and find reasons to use. मतलब कभी भी टेक्निक जब यूज करते हैं, चाहे रूट कैनाल में हो, चाहे फिलिंग हो, चाहे क्लास 2 में हो, every time we get advancement or lot of new wedges or sectional matrices in case of class 2, so we tend to avoid it. So two reasons are there: either we create positive reasons to use the to start using rubber dam, जैसे कि आज का प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो में आइसोलेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और अदर एडवांटेजेस मैंने बता दिए, और initially it may be a little difficulty for you and you may find these reasons for not to use. तो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा how you start. So it is always better to find positive reasons to start any new procedure. तो जब भी I learn new class 2 का टेक्निक कुछ भी, I have a positive way to start this, या फिर नया रैम का टेक्निक सीखा तो I'll try to adapt in my next and then and there, so that I am motivated to do rather than find to avoid it. This is the attitude which you should keep, guys. So do put the dam in daily routine practices and put pics on the virtual discussion group, and most probably next week when I'll be adding keynotes regarding COVID-19 को COVID-19 patients या फिर practice post COVID-19 का, when I'll put a small session, I'll add techniques in which you can if I feel कि at least एक आपको रबर डैम यूज करते हुए, तो I'll add new techniques, I'll tell you new technique, so that almost each and every case in your practice you put rubber dams. For that, I want you to post few pictures in the virtual case discussion Facebook. जैसे I'll see कि हाँ you have start using it. तब I'll get motivated to tell you n number of techniques. Okay, guys. So it's always better to carry an umbrella in a rainy season. So the same goes to the rubber dam. Which at daily practices is in a rainy. तो आप अपनी प्रोसीजर भी ऐसा ही हो गया है because we have to use lot of water and we have to put any aerosols and all. Put a dam, we put a protective sheet, will always protect it like umbrella in a rain. So damn it now, guys. So if you don't want these droplets, put a good shield. And guys, I would love if you share the feedback and share this presentation which I have tried to help you to start using rubber dam, and I'll be updating frequently with different tips and tricks which will help you. And I would love if you do a feedback and sharing of your rubber dam case in the virtual case discussion group. So guys, if any doubts, you can say me, write comment box. Otherwise, I would feel free to end up the session. Be waiting for you guys to put the rubber dam, start using the rubber dam, start using single tooth isolation, or try this on your model first, followed by in your close associate dentist or an assistant. Then you can try on the patients if you feel you want to test more before using in the patients. Okay, these are the key steps which I have shared with you guys. So till then, bye bye, take care. We'll be coming with a new session, and the topic is very lovable. Especially it's the topic of new sessions. I'm telling you now only. It will be on Thursday and Saturday. So we have sessions now Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So we'll be covering topics on pediatric dentistry. So all the practitioners who feel they want some wider knowledge pediatric dentistry, we are doing sessions starting from Thursday, and I love you all to again get and we share a common platform of our sessions. Till then, bye bye, take care for being a nice listener, and we'll be updating you soon, guys. Okay, bye bye.